Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and driver readiness. This matters for speed and features. First, confirm your GPU supports ray tracing, NVIDIA RTX or AMD RDNA 2, and update drivers. Once done, open Blender and switch the render engine to cycles. This enables path tracing. Next, in Preferences System, choose GPU Compute or achthy-realism on NVIDIA. Make sure to save preferences so Blender remembers the device. These steps get you into ray tracing mode immediately, so you can configure scene-level options next. Now you'll refine render quality and performance. In the Render Properties Set Samples, use 128 as a draft and increase toward 512/1024 for final frames. More samples reduce noise. Enable denoising for viewport and render. Choose achthy-realism if you have NVIDIA or compatible denoisers for AMD and Intel. Then optimize light paths. Lower max bounces if render time is high, but keep enough for accurate reflections and translucency. Finally, use adaptive sampling and portal lights for interior. Finish by rendering a full preview and checking problem areas, reflections, fireflies, and noise. If you see artifacts, first update GPU drivers and try toggling between achthy-realism and CUDA or CPU to isolate the issue. Make sure clip and shadow distances aren't clipping geometry. Disable caustics to remove extreme fireflies. Adjust clamp indirect to tame hot pixels, and use the film panel for exposure or transparent backgrounds. Save your settings as a preset, so future scenes inherit these ray tracing optimizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.